Good day, ICT students. This is Teacher Geraldine again, and welcome to another episode of our digital class. Our topic for this week is all about exploring the World Wide Web. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to perform computer operations, specifically use basic functions of a www browser to locate information. Last time, we already talked about different desktop icons. This time, we will be talking about the browser. When you say web browser, it is a software program that allows a user to locate, access, and display web pages. Web browsers are used primarily for displaying and accessing websites on the internet. There are different web browsers available. So you have your Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and other browsers. So how to launch a web browser? As you can see here on my desktop, we have the Google Chrome and the Brave browser. So this time, we will select the Google Chrome. So to open or to launch the Google Chrome, you just need to double click. So once you double click, you can see here already the windows for our Google Chrome. Search engine. Search engine is a web-based tool that enables users to locate information on the World Wide Web. Examples are, number 1, we have Google Web Search, or simply Google is a web search engine developed by Google. The main purpose of Google Search is to find text that you want to know through all the data or information that are publicly shared and allowed to access by other networks. We also have Yahoo. According to whatis.techtarget.com, Yahoo is an internet portal that incorporates a search engine and a directory of worldwide websites organized in a hierarchy of topic categories. MSN. It refers to Microsoft Network and is a web-based program developed by Microsoft Corporation. MSN offers a range of services including news, search engines, user-driven forums, instant messaging, email, and services to connect to the internet. AOL. It is an internet and media company owned and operated by Time Warner. During the height of its popularity, the company was widely used to access the internet through a dial-up connection. Bing. Bing is a search engine developed by Microsoft. It provides a standard web search as well as specialized searches for images, videos, shopping, news, maps, and other categories. We also have Ask.com, or also called Ask and Ask Jeeves. It is a search engine. When you search with it, it aggregates results from other search engines to display a list of answers. Ask.com also functions as a video search engine for locating YouTube videos. So how to load a search engine? By default, as you can see, my search engine here is Yahoo. But we can also type the URL address of the search engine that you want to use. So for example, we want Google. So type www.google.com, and once It is there, just need to click enter. And then now we have our Google search engine. So this is our URL address bar, and this is our search bar. So what is a URL, or Uniform Resource Locator? It is a text you type on the web browser address bar. Every website and web pages in the World Wide Web has their own web address, or URL. It is like a home address of a web page or website. It is easy to locate a website if the end user knows the URL. So here are parts of a URL. https://whatis.techtarget.com/glossaries. So HTTPS is the protocol, whatis.techtarget.com is the domain, and glossaries is the path. Protocol. According to techtarget.com, a protocol is used to access a resource on the internet. Protocols include HTTP, HTTPS, FTPS, mail to, and file. The resource is reached through the domain name system, or DNS. In this example, the protocol is HTTPS. Protocol refers to transfer protocol in URL, which controls how data will be transferred from the host to the web browser. The domain, or the domain name, or others call it host name. It is a unique reference that represents a web page. Other examples of domain name: facebook.com. So Facebook is the domain name. apple.com, amazon.com. .com is the top-level domain, or TLD, which represent the purpose and type of domain, or the geographical area from which the website originated. Other examples of TLD: .com means commercial businesses, .org means organizations, .net organizations as well, .gov government agencies, and .edu for educational facilities like universities. Number 3, path. A path refers to a file or location on the web server. The path is located after the domain name, or TLD to be exact. So examples: http whatis.techtarget.com/glossaries. Glossaries is the path. So for other examples here, after the TLD, dictionary is the path. After the .com TLD, main page is the path. So how do we enter URL of a website? So again, in the search bar, or the address bar, just need to type the URL. So for example, you want to go to Facebook, you can type https:// www.facebook.com. So that is the URL, and then click enter. You just need to wait for it to load, and here you have the Facebook page. Link or hyperlink. Link is shortcut for hyperlink. Hyperlink is an HTML object that allows you to jump to a new location when you click or tap it. All the web pages in the World Wide Web have a link, which allows the other web page to go from one page to another web page. The end user will know that the text has a link if it is colored blue, and if you move the mouse pointer over the text, the mouse pointer turns to a hand or finger. It means there is a link. There are different types of hyperlink. So let's start with the text hyperlink. It uses a word or phrase to take visitors to another page, file, or document. As you can see here, how to use the register editor. This is the text hyperlink. It is underlined and color blue. Image hyperlink. It uses an image to take visitors to another page, file, or document. So here, once you click this picture, it will let you go to another page. Bookmark hyperlink. It uses text or an image to take visitors to another part of a web page. Bookmark link is located on the web browser Bookmark. So how do we bookmark a page? So let's take a look at this. We have the facebook.com and you want to bookmark this page. So at the upper right portion, you can see here the star. So this is the link for your bookmark. Alright, this is how you bookmark. Just click on the star, and then as you can see, this will pop up. You can rename this or keep it, and then just click done. So once it is already starred, that means it was already bookmarked. But let us check if it's already here. Here you go. It is already on your bookmarked page. Alright, so we're done with our topic this week. It's time now to answer your activities 1 and 2 and reflection found on your learning activity sheets week 8, Exploring the World Wide Web. Once you're done, you may send it on my messenger or email. So that would be all for this week. Thank you, class, and God bless you.